Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. So after a long time again I'm talking about Dent coin. What's the price of Dent? What's the price changes occur in the Dent coin? Let me show you guys. And guys, if you're new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time guys, the right now the current price of Dent coin in the market is about 0.005785 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of Dent coin. Furthermore, if you talk about the changes update of Dent coin, so now the last 1 hour update is positive 0.9%. The last 1 day, last 1 week changes of Dent coin is completely negative. Very badly the changes occur in the Dent coin, but don't worry guys, very soon these changes will become positive and they will give you huge profit. You just hold. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Dent coin? Also share in the comment box. And guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe now. Let's see for a short time the price chart. You can see here guys, that's good news for all of you. This is good news because in the latest situation Dent coin changes start positive changes. Wow, congratulations everybody. So you can see now Dent coin start positive changes, start pumping. So that's why I suggest for all of you that just hold, never decide to sell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.